Exclude that car in the back. Hi guys, good morning. It's not morning time now, it's daytime. It's actually Christmas Day. I'm actually on my way to my father's house. I'm having Christmas dinner there. See that I don't want to live with them. I normally go and spend Christmas Day with them because my family ask me all the time. Check out this drip. I got about like 2 days ago. I think though maybe we can take off some more if I top. But I'm on the road now. My driver is gonna pick me up in a few. It's gonna be lit.
Christmas! No, your hair looks great.
Okay, so this is Lisa. She's coming to Christmas dinner with us.
From Canada.
I decided gonna get tired for the car. For the wheel. We have an extra tire, so we're getting here for that and we'll be on our way. On our way, I'm gonna show you the beach and the scenery. We're going to Lucy. We're going to Lucy, right?
I think
Green Island.
Yes, I think so. Hometown girl asking the girl, where are we going?
Yeah, Green Island we're going to go. So I'm going to show you the scenery of the drive on our way there. I was showing you the scenery of the drive to my father's house. So I'm there now, so I'm going to Green Island. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and say hi to Lisa.
Picked up a key lime chocolate.
Yeah, Bob always, he brought a cake from Canada last year. Carrot cake with something in it.
Chocolate cake. Chocolate Christmas cake.
Yeah. And this one is fruit cake.
Yes.
And that's the curry mutton.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, we're bringing some stuff for you.
Okay, good job, you guys. They brought it in there.
So we're bringing some stuff for the kids down there. My sister has a... So we're at the gas station.
Is it cheaper?
Probably. It's on Sunday. On Sunday. Hmm? What? Nothing. Say hi to my video.
Hi.
And this is Bob.
Hi.
Bob is from Canada too.
Mm-hmm.
So we're en route to Green Island.
She blogging?
Yeah, she's always
Blogging. Is she a blogger?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
That's a beach right over there. We live pretty close to the beach down here. You finished?
That's better. That's better. That's better than the light on.
Everybody was going on the soft.
Yeah. That's what it was. Yeah. Up, eh?
Yeah, because it was clearer than that before. Yeah.
She has a dirty soap brush.
Yes.
Yeah, she needs a rub down. I don't do any of the jobs that I hated. No, I don't do any.
You were in the car sales.
Yes, I was in the car sales, but I didn't really like that in the end either, because it was all about taking more money than people had. Come on, you little goat, keep going. Keep going, little goat. No, it's okay. Yeah, so Merry Christmas.
You can overtake a road, it make wood mash up your front.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, goat will smash it up good. Sandy Bay, fish and fish.
Oh, that's very good.
That's where we get it. That's Dennis's favorite spot for fish. But when a guy brought the bucket, it was full of little tiny things.
Yeah, they were too small.
Yeah, and then he goes, well, don't you have any big fish? The guy brings out 3 fish, and all 3 were parrot. Dennis goes, oh, parrot, you know.
Dennis don't eat parrot.
No, he didn't want to eat the parrot.
It rained a lot yesterday.
Oh my goodness.
The rain was a lot.
It started at 3 in the morning, and just all day. All day. Oh, it was running like a river.
Melissa, check the...
And Sunday, fix the road down here, so.
Fix this. This bridge had a
Yeah,
big
that's
bump.
fixed.
Yes, it had a bump.
I remember the bump it had.
They're-
Boom, boom.
they're really surfacing. But the guy is showing me that the police are on the road.
Oh,
Okay.
just flashing the lights.
Yeah.
Oh, another one. Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
so them
look,
right
here
there,
it is
so.
right here.
A speed
Is
check.
he going to
line.
want to see us? Okay.
Oh, maybe
Oh, he
not.
does, yeah.
I'm scruping
No,
on.
he doesn't want to see you. He just wanted you to slow down.
Oh,
Yeah, he just wanted you to slow down.
okay.
Yeah, he thought you were going too fast.
Minute. From the guy. From the guy, flashed me. I went down to 50 kilo.
Perfect. Perfect. That's the way to go.
You sit, no, you sit there, look in the car, you know, and if
Bobby's
you sit
vlogging.
there and it determines whether you stop.
So over there,
Oh, okay.
when the sea is rough, that is it. Over there normally keeps calm, just to say. So all the boats normally come here, like if it's a hurricane is coming.
Oh, that's.
Oh.
Right. Yeah, over the coast. So when the sea is very rough, they come here because it's calm there all the time.
I read all about the hurricanes the other day that you had here.
Yeah.
You know, devastated.
Bahamas. Not so much off, but Bahamas. I'm not very long, black them on you.
They're using.
Yes, smells pretty too. Unless it don't happen. Look at what the kid did. So guys, this is my food. Everybody go over this I eat. Devour this right now.
Breadfruit, nice.
This is my sister. My other sister.
And she said if she can't get breadfruit, it's alright. So